Hey guys, so we've launched a huge update on the Macha AI Zendesk Copilot, and the first thing you'll notice is obviously a much better and cleaner UI experience for your agents. But the thing that we are really excited about in this update is the translation features. Now, each of your agents is going to see a prompt to actually set a language of their own. Now, we've done this at the agent level because we understand support teams can be global. You could have agents sitting in any country and their primary language could be anything. So we've made it an agent level setting. Now in this demo, I'm going to select my primary language, which is English, all right? And I'm also going to switch on auto translate tickets and I'm going to shut this. Now I'm going to show you how this works on a test ticket. So if you look at this ticket, the entire ticket is in Dutch, all right? And I don't understand Dutch, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Macha AI Zendesk Copilot. And if you see over here, since it recognizes that my primary language is English, but the ticket is in Dutch, it gives me a translation of the ticket right here. All right, so I'm just going to click on this button over here and I can read all the messages of the ticket in English and I can understand what's going on over here. So if I see the last message from the customer is asking if we offer express shipping. Now I'm just going to shut this and I'm going to create a response for this. So I'm going to say, yes, we offer X costs just 50 euro, reaches in 3 working days. All right. I'm just going to create the answer. Now the AI understands that the language of the customer is Dutch, so it obviously creates a response in Dutch. But since it understands that my language is English and I only understand English, it also gives me an English version of the response that it's created. So if you could see on the top right over here, I can just click on English and I can read the response that the AI has created for me right here. All right. And if the response looks okay to me, I'm just going to go back to the Dutch version and I'm just going to hit paste to editor. So if you just see, and it shows me how many minutes I saved with this interaction as well. Now, if you look at the process that I just followed over here, I came in and saw a ticket in Dutch. I do not understand Dutch, so I interpreted the ticket and I understood what the customer was asking me for. I also drafted a response in Dutch and I was able to see what the meaning of the response was. I was able to interpret the response and I was able to insert it in my editor and I can send this out now. So the process is really streamlined. These features are great for global support teams who handle tickets in multiple languages. They can respond to any ticket in any language. We're really excited for you guys to try it out. So if you're interested in actually trialing this, just go to our Zendesk Marketplace app, install it and give it a shot. And we'd love to hear feedback from you. Thank you so much.